Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we will learn difference between financial accounting and management accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates. So let's get started. The differences between financial accounting and management accounting are common questions to understand since each requires a different career path. Financial accounting usually refers to the aggregation of financial accounting information, whereas management accounting refers to the internal process used for accounts for business transactions. There are a number of differences between them, which is as follows. 1. Financial accounting generates information that is used by external parties such as shareholders and lenders, where management accounting generates information that managers and employees use within the organization. 2. Financial accounting focuses on history, reports in the previous quarter or year, where management accounting focuses on the present and future forecasts. 3. Financial accounting provides detailed information on the organization's financial position, where management accounting provides complete and detailed reports regarding various information. 4. The main objective of financial accounting is to disclose the end results of the business and the financial condition of the business on a specific date, where the main objective of management accounting is to assist management by providing information that is used to plan, set objectives, and evaluate those objectives. 5. Financial accounting publishes reports in a particular format in order to accurately compare different organizations, where management accounting prepares management accounts in an informal format as well as on a company-based basis as necessary. 6. Financial accounting prepares financial statements at the end of the accounting period, which is usually 1 year, where management accounting prepares reports according to the organization's needs and requirements. That's all. I hope you got it. If not, tell me what else I should explain here and I will make a new video for that. Please do not forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching. For more, please visit our website, www.everythingaboutakcounting.info.